Hello, in this video, we will present the evolution of the concept and nature of firm, from classical to modern managerial perspectives, which are fundamental for further understanding the firm activities in the current context. In the literature, the concept of firm is explored by different theoretical approaches. In neoclassical theory, the firm is considered as a black box that assembles all of necessary elements for organizing and implementing the production and business activities. Economists in the late 19th and early 20th centuries regarded firms as black boxes, because they either did not desire to study them or, more accurately, because they could not comprehend the complex operations and functioning of the firm. The black box firm was only described by economists in a limited manner through measurable factors outside the box. Accordingly, a traditional firm, often associated with an owner who also manages the business, was seen as a unit, whose main activities involve transforming inputs such as raw materials, labor, services, etc., into outputs such as finished products, waste, etc. These activities are executed based on a technical relationship, known as the production function. Specifically, the firm owner hires workers and purchases raw materials, services, etc. Based on their management capacity, they allocate labor, operate machinery and equipment, utilize raw materials. They also monitor, supervise, and adjust production and business activities to generate output, including final products for the market and various types of waste. This firm, whose internal operations are temporarily overlooked, is managed by an individual, or a group representing the business owners. For them, the ultimate goal is profit maximization. Not accepting the secretive functioning of the black box firm, modern economists delve deep into exploring the organizational and operational activities within firms. The separation of management rights from ownership of the firm emerged, when firm owners as principals entrusted hired managers as agents, to carry out operational and managerial activities in the shareholders' interests. This separation leads to the consequence that, as Adam Smith argued, the directors of such companies, however, being the managers rather of other people's money than of their own, cannot be expected to watch over it with the same anxious vigilance, with which, the partners in a private co-partnership frequently watch over their own. This also gives rise to the modern model of managerial firm, that is organized and managed not by the invisible hand, but under the visible hand of managers. Delving further into studying firms, behavioral economists offer extensive research to better understand the decision-making process of individuals within firms, thereby addressing significant limitations in traditional neoclassical theory. Specifically, according to agency theory, firm is defined as an alliance of agents, such as stakeholders, managers, partners, etc., who can pursue different benefits. Next, according to transaction cost economics, the analysis of firms should be situated within a comparative framework that considers both internal transaction costs and external value creation. In the perspective of contracts and agreements among members within the firm, Williamson defines the firm as a network of specific contracts between individuals and organizations. Recently, in the resource-based view, scholars consider the firm as a place where resources are concentrated. Firms accumulate and organize their resources to achieve sustainable competitive advantage through developing resources, core competencies, learning and adaptability capabilities. Regardless of the different approaches, in general, firm is a strategic organization that has mission of producing, trading and distributing products, services to customers and/or consumers. To perform these, firm adopts strategy by strategically self-organizing, mobilizing and impacting on its resources, including materials, finance, human resources, equipment and machinery, and information, in a certain scope, by complying with the legislations, and in ensuring a certain profitability level. We finish here this video. Thanks for your views and subscription to our channel. And see you in the next video.